Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for luxury goods and accessories business easy and quick. So as you know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here uh, you have to sign up free so you can get started. So let's get started. Okay, so as you see here, this is the dashboard. Here where you're gonna set up your website. So click here, set up your website and storefront. It will take you to the editor page. Here we're gonna design your home page. So go to the settings and go to the templates and select the templates which you want to use. So for the luxury goods, I don't know if I'm gonna find it here. So if the topic isn't here, you can choose just a random one and complete it and design it on your home page. So I think I'm gonna choose this one here. It might be here. Okay, so as you see here, you have to change everything in this home page. It depends on your business. So go to the header in the menu and enter here. First you have to enter the site logo, your company name. After this you can manage the navigation menu, so you have to change all this menu items. You can add your own menu items, and in the design of any section you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive so anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size, like also you can change the color. Okay, you can add the frame outline to make it more better. Now let's go back, let's move on as the cover and the headline. So you have to change the tagline, the title and the description. Here you can introduce this to your brand. For example, you can type welcome to our site for luxury goods, and accessories, just like this. um, the image you have to change it from your library or from the browser, so you can search on luxury goods and accessories, and you can choose one of these images here. So this is depends on your business, your product, so you can choose whatever. It depends on your product. Okay, so for example I'm gonna choose just a random image. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one here, just for example. So you can choose your favorite or whatever you want from here. Now let's go back. So in the design, choose your favorite layout. Just make sure don't forget the simple details. Okay, that's it. Now let's go back. Now let's move on to the next section. So nothing special here, you have to change everything. The description here, you can use this space to talk about your products and your business. Why should your customers buy from you or use your services? Some informations about your company and what your company offers. Now just like this, let's go back. Now let's move on to the next section. So here in the store section you have to create your product. So click here, manage product. Okay, now click on new product. So here you have to add the product gallery. So enter here your product gallery, the name of your products, the area, the weight 1 kilogram, and also the description of your product. Don't forget here to customize the prices options. After you're done from this, just save this place and go back and complete here the design of this store section. So nothing special here, the same thing. Let's move on. Okay, nothing special, so you have to change everything like the same thing as normal. Also the design, choose your favorite layout here. That's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next section. uh, Also here nothing special, so just make sure in the design don't forget to change the color in the background and the simple details. Okay, it's more important to make your site looks better. Okay, now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. Okay, so here nothing special, the same thing as normal. So you have to change the image, like from just the browser, go and select one of these images here, for example this one. And of course you have to change the description and the title. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. Okay, so here in this description you can talk about your story, your company story. Why should your customers buy from you, or tell something about your experiences and what makes you start your business. Okay, let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal, so change this title here. That's it, depends on your business. Okay, so just and the design, make sure don't forget to complete here the design of the font and the size. That's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So the same thing as normal here, nothing special, so just change the description and the design. You can choose your favorite layout. Let's move on to the contacts. You can use this description here. We are always happy to see you. Of course you have to change the image. The address here, you have to enter your business address. The daily hours, also you can enter the daily hours of the work, and you have to enter the contact information, the social profiles. Okay, so that's it. In the design I rather choose this one here of the map in the background. It's much better. So here you can zoom and zoom the map and put the place which you wanna put in the background. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the footer section. So here you have just to enter the your company name for the copyright. After you're done, you can, if you want to add something new, you can just select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage, and that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here add section. You can select what kind of section you want to add. After you're done from this designing your website, you can just publish your website and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.